The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall!
Life, man. You body not what you do, check out the ball.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is seriousskilla. I'm here again. You see it? I just presented to you a video that is out on social media where it is said that a female's hair got caught into the wheel of a motorcycle. Now I look at this video more than once, and I look at this video properly, and as short as this video might be, you see me? In my point of view, this video shows a female whose braids got caught into the sprocket and chain of a motorcycle. You see me? And I also look at this video, and at one point I'm wondering if this video had been made for entertainment purposes, like how persons would make a video and put it out on social media. But anyways, I see this video out on social media and I said to myself, you know what, maybe I should show my viewers and subscribers one of the danger of, you know, riding a motorcycle or being a pillion on a motorcycle, you see me? And you know, I want to point out a few things right away when it comes on to motorcycle, because you know, to my understanding, there are persons out there who don't really look at motorcycle as something that is dangerous in a certain way or certain ways. You understand? So I'm going to point out a few things. And the first thing that I'm going to point out, I think I should be saying this to females, but you know, anyone can wear a skirt. So therefore, I'm going to say it like this. Do not wear a tall skirt when you're riding a motorcycle. See? Don't wear any loose clothing when you're riding a motorcycle. You understand? Because loose clothing or tall skirt can catch into the motorcycle. When you're on the motorcycle and it's in motion, it can catch into the wheel or the chain or, you know, the sprocket or so on. You see me? And, you know, be careful of a shoes lace when you're riding a motorcycle, or, you know, being a pillion on a motorcycle, or however you look at it. Be careful of a shoes lace, because the shoes lace can cut into the sprocket, the wheel or the chain and so on. You understand? And I just presented to you a video that shows what can happen when your hair is too tall while you're riding on a motorcycle. You see what I'm saying to you? A motorcycle can be very dangerous. You see me? Anyways, you know, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, and I'm going to move on to another video right about now. And the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show a female who is sending a warning out there to persons. This video is going to show a female sending a warning out there to each and every one to let them know that they should be careful of robbers. Yeah, be careful of robbers when they're on the road. You understand? You know, this video shows the female talking about something that happened while she was in a vehicle that she was driving. You see me? And according to some of the things that this female had said, I get the understanding that she's sending this warning out there, especially to females. You see what I'm saying to you? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Guys, it's Natasha here. Now listen, this is like a warning video, because you know me all about positive thing and real, but I just want to let you guys know that this morning I was at the Knoxford Boulevard intersection and I was heading to Spanish Court. At the stoplight, I kid you not, I noticed a motorcycle pull up on the right of me. Now the guy pull up on the right of me, no helmet, no nothing, just a knapsack on him back. I see him look over into the car, but I'm not really paying no mind. Can I say to myself, say, well, you know, people fast. But I'm usually terrified of motorcycles. Anyway, soon after he pulled up on the right side of me, another motorcycle on the left side of me. Guys, the guy on the right is going to, like him indicate, say me if he wind down my window and ask me something. So I'm like, saying to myself, And we want. So I thought he was saying to me he wanted to go ahead of me when the stoplight turned green. He was there just telling me, wind on the window, wind on the window, wind on the window. Me I act like me not hear what him say. I'm frightened, you know, guys. Trust me, I'm terrified, you know. Sure enough, like him give up, but he really did a pre me, and then he went up beside another bike rider, the one that was beside him, and coming, and then he and then the two of them were talking, and then all three of them rode off, guys. All when we reach a Spanish court, we still a shake. Like, I'm asking you guys, please be careful out there. Do not stop anywhere and have anybody tell you about for wind down window. You don't know them. I know stuff can happen to people, but the way the guy was looking at me, looking in the car, I look at my handbag, the phone, everything, and then now after a couple seconds of checking out to see what was in the car, he might tell me for wind down window. And I found it's not a coincidence that three of them ride up the same time. Guys, just be careful. I'm asking you, be careful, especially the ladies, because I find that they are literally targeting the women. So I'm asking you guys, just be careful on the road, please.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, nowadays it's coming like no one cannot trust anyone nowadays. You understand? Especially if the person is a stranger. It's like you have to be on a constant alert. You see me? Especially when you're out in the streets, it's like you're on a very high alert. That's one of the things that I'm seeing happening nowadays with a lot of persons out there. You understand? It's like if you try to ask someone a question, they might answer you, but it's like they don't want to stop. And I'm talking about within the country of Jamaica, you know. And by the way, the female in the video talk about something that happened within the country of Jamaica. You understand me? If you listen to the video carefully, you'll get the understanding, you know, about some things that the female had said and so on. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, and a real though, I can't tell anyone what to do. You understand? But you know, I'm just trying to say this to each and everyone out there, that they should really and truly be careful out there. You understand? Because you have a lot of dishonest persons out there. You have a lot of persons out there that have no regard to persons' lives. You understand? It's as if they don't care about how a person live and so on. You see what I'm saying to you? You have persons out there that go through certain lengths in order to get money and whatsoever they want. You understand me? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I am going to leave with you pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media. And according to what had been said on social media about these pieces of videos, it is said that these pieces of videos shows Madonna in the country of Jamaica. Now, according to reports, it is said that Madonna arrived in the country of Jamaica with members of her family. And according to reports, it is said that Madonna celebrated her 62nd birthday in the country of Jamaica. According to reports, it is said that Madonna was seen in the second city of Jamaica. And to my knowledge, the second city of Jamaica would be Montego Bay. You see me? Now, according to how I understand some things that have been said in reports out there, it is said that Madonna was born on the 16th of August, 1958. Alright? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it. Let me know what you think about these pieces of videos that shows the legendary musician who goes by the name of Madonna in the country of Jamaica. And let me know what you think about the videos that I already presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Cheers.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.